And oh man, it's been a hot minute. It's been such a hot minute. What's going on, guys? I feel like I haven't been doing anything other than just living my life. What I got going on today, because I don't just do this just to do this, what I got going on today is I ended up getting a new front pipe for the car because my car honestly smells, sounds like shit. So what I figured was I get a little JDL little front pipe, because if I get a little JDL little front pipe, it'll sound good. So that's exactly what I did. Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna end up going to a friend's shop. We'll install it today, see how it sounds, and then I also have something else to make the car look really nice that I'm gonna show you later on at another time. And then after that, I feel like the build will be done. That's all I want for the build. Nothing crazy. I don't want a lip kit. I don't want side skirts. I just want to keep it simple, something light, and that's that. So we're going over to the shop now, and I'm gonna show you guys what it is the pipe is looking like and the goodies that I get inside of it. I don't know, just hold on, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video for today. Just like, comment, subscribe, do whatever, I don't care. Show it to your grandpa, your grandma, your sneaky link, your ex, whatever the hell it may be. Just tell them to tune in, bro. Percent. Alright, chat, I made it. We'll see how this car sounds after, but I'm a little bit excited. Alright, so we got the car on the lift. There is the whole exhaust, of course. This is where I scraped everything from being so low on the car, plastic bag being burnt, and then this goes back to being the cat back, and then this is the front pipe here. So this is one of the old front pipes that I had from a friend, and then this is the new one, the JDL one, the dual resonated front pipe. So I'm excited to see how it'll sound. I have a clip from how it sounded last time when I have it, so yeah, we'll see how it turns out. So typically this job should last no more than half hour to an hour. This is somebody who's talking from somebody who uses a jack instead of a lift. Yeah, so when you do things on a jack, things are a lot different. When you have a car on a lift, things are a lot easier. She the master tech too, mind you. The master tech right here. We're gonna get this done easy. Right? Do you guys still drive that? that look drivable, right? That looks fine. Yeah. Alright. Pull front pipe out. Do front pipe. I just chills on the hanger, that's why. Alright.
This is so fucking nice.
This sounds nice as hell. That sounds nice, yo. That sounds nice as hell, bro. Even when I first heard it when it turned on, I was like, that shit sounds crisp. Like, I'm jacking that. I'm jacking that. That was tough. Take a look, take a look, take a look, take a look, take a look. Chat, I'm about to take a ride in the Elantra, and this is my first time ever in this car. I've only seen this car like online, but then Shorty ended up buying one, and she thought she was special, bro. She thought she was special, so now I'm about to take a ride in it just to see how it feels, because I've only ever seen it in person once or twice, and like I've seen it like online. The tunes and the exhaust for her are tough, so I'm trying to convince her to do it herself, but I'm excited. My reviews on this car. It's really spacious inside.
Yo.
It's mad spacious. Like, there's hella space. I can sit comfortably. The seats. Yo. This thing picks up pretty fast. The seats, like, you can feel it hugging you. Like, even during that turn, like, I felt it was hugging the shit out of me. Yeah. Like, it felt great. 9 out of 10 so far for me, because I'm not really a big Hyundai guy. Like, I never was. But like, this is adding to it. And then the ambient lighting, like, this whole interior is tough. Like, this, I feel like this is tough.
This is the stuff I match. But on the automatics, it's an extra boost.
What's an extra boost?
Like, it just gives it a little bit.
This is actually pretty tough. Like, I actually like the lighting in here. Everything about the car is pretty nice. You can change the color to it?
Yeah, I put it in my pink color.
Yo, this is tough. Even this, like, this is like nice.
Yeah, can I need to wash those.
The outside of this car is really dirty, but I'm not gonna lie, it's because we had. I'm not gonna lie, we had terrible weather, so it's not. You really don't have the time to clean it. But nah, overall, yes. Overall, it's a really good car. You gonna fuck up your window, bro? Alright. So the car automatically sounds so much better. I gotta have you guys hear it from the phone clip that we got just now. I definitely feel like this is it. Like, the exhaust setup is done. Like, this is all the car needed for it to sound the way I need it to sound. Like, this sounds amazing. Like, yeah, no, this is what I needed. This is what I needed, guys. Like, I'm actually very happy with how the car sounds right now. The car is exactly where I want it to be. I'm a simple guy, so like, I don't need extra cosmetics. I don't need any of that stuff. Like, this is perfect. This is exactly how I want the car. This is how I wanted it to begin with. And I'm getting it. Like, and the fact that I have one more thing to do to it, and you guys are gonna see what it is, I just can't wait for you guys to see, like, the finished product. Like, to some, y'all gonna be like, oh, like, that's it, like, it's basically stop. Nah, bro, like, that's what my vision was. This is what I wanted for the car, and that's that. That's it. I live a couple months, but now we back outside, cause back outside because of this motherfucker. See this black motherfucker. Boy, so we got for the World Cup. We hitting parlays?
They gave me a $10 credit. I use that shit as soon as possible, bro.
$10 credit? $10 credit?
Yeah.
Damn.
10 to win 300. I didn't put a winner though because I was like, fuck that.
Guys, I'm happy. I got my car part in. We about to go out. I wasn't even supposed to go out tonight, but he somehow always convinces me. He somehow always convinces me to go out. But it's okay. We outside.
The Don Julio.
Wait. Show me that. This is how you know we in spirits.
Oh man.
World Cup edition, my boy.
Y con la jugo de naranja.
We getting fucked up tonight. But quick story time, chat. Last time we were in this spot, last time we had this exact bottle.
This is your fault, actually.
No, you dropped like half.
Nah.
Yo,
I'm loyal.
I'm walking across the street. I'm like, I'm happy-go-lucky ass, right? I look back, bro, they're chasing after something they dropped, and I look down, I just see the whole...
It was a blunt.
They went after the...
And went after the blunt. We got to New York. My boy lost the fucking blunt.
Yeah,
About to talk about it. Bop.
That's so lucky. What the fuck?
Oh, God, he got
No, he's taking us.
No, I'm saying the person left.
Hello, happy. Alright, we transferred over to the Jeep. How you feel?
I'm getting fucked up.
Don't spill that shit.
Just drive the boat.
El hueso, what the fuck? Vamos up. Bro, stop being a bitch, bro. Ah, there you go.
Pero falta más. Baby, tranquila, no tengas miedo, que yo siempre ando con mi pistola. Vente conmigo y que se joda, que yo estaba loco de pillarte sola. Yo sé que...
Alright, hold the steering wheel and Tio's gonna... We talk Wednesday, we talk Thursday, we talk Friday, we link on Friday, we kiss on Friday, on Saturday we go out, cool, motherfuckers get back home, she's like, can we go somewhere private? I'm like, bet, cool, no, I said my bada, I'm like, no, she gives me head, I'm like, God, se me para, el culeo, me dice, I said, bet. I said, bet. She's like, no, at first I ignored her. She was like, I said, I'm like, you sure? She's like, what, you think I'm trying to trap you? I'm like,
She wildin'.
I have an IUD, I told you. I'm like, I bet.
So she sold you at the IUD, you was like, alright, bet.
That's it.
You're wildin', bro.
Alone. After, she's like, damn, and I'm like, but bitch, what you think this is? I think it's because I had enough like pay for money.
Nah, you should have been like just for you. Just for you.
Yeah, smooth with it.
Nah, man, why not? Julio, brother.
Es la culpable. Que nadie llore y en vez de flores se ven.
Oscar, this one's for you, alright? Got him in his bag.
Alright, who's next? Cav, you need to catch up.
Kev, what?
Bye. Oh,
Yeah, did you see how much I drank?
Ya, dale.
Le pegó a Don Julio.
Acho.
Yo, Oscar fried, bro. It's
¿Y la
over.
jugo de naranja?
What?
¿El jugo de naranja?
Nah. Nigga, what you say?
Nah, bro.
Yo,
Fucking orange.
I'll give it back to y'all.
I don't got it either. Over here. Because we're in half.
La jugo de naranja.
La hoo-ha hoo-ha.
Bro.
Yo, wait, take the shot, but wait 5 seconds before you take the chaser.
What the fuck? There's rules?
Yeah, we making rules now. Nah, we making rules now. Go. If you don't do it, you a bitch.
How you say? Drink?
So drink, take 5 seconds, yeah.
But I can swallow it. Pause.
Yo, yeah. Soldier. Yo, don't spill it. Yo, stop being. Yo, come on. He said I can't do it. Takes a big gulp.
Uno, dos,
Tres, cuatro, cinco.
Está loco.
We don't even need that.
Ah!
I gotta make me look at it. Yo,
We don't even need
I guess I'm next.
got it, bro.
Yo, tell him put that flag down. Yo, tell him put that flag down. Yo, tell him this.
My Buddha. Yo, he took 2 gulps. You're a champ.
Yeah, bro.
I know that mouth fit more. Pause.
Hey, yo.
Pause.
Nigga, we can try it out.
What?
I'm trying to find out.
Bro, there's so little left. Caesar has to take the roast. No, mira. Pero mariconazo, mira que está en la botella. There's nothing left. By the time Dylan is done, by the time Dylan and Oscar take that shit is little bit. Yo, te lo juro. Yo, te lo juro. I'm serious. I'm serious. Yo, I'm serious.
No.
I'm serious. Just take
Nigga,
it.
no.
Good. You're not driving. You good.
Nigga, I hate you guys. No. What is that?
He's like, what is that? Yo, no, you have to take yours first and then
Not
Oscar.
even a shot, bro.
What?
What you mean, bro?
This nigga said you first, then me.
Yeah, that is it, bro. Let me get the OJ. I need the OJ.
You a bitch.
I need the OJ.
Where's OJ? I don't have the OJ.
Bust it.
Oh my god, I got the OJ. I got the OJ.
Nigga never busted. I ain't get the OJ. What the fuck is that? Nigga, I Dominicano. What the fuck? When I asked, I said we don't got. I hate the shot. No,
Now what you mean? I take more than y'all. I do more than y'all.
Give me that shit. That was me.
Yo, y'all spilled the Dawn. Yo, Oscar, you spilled the Dawn. Oscar, you spilled the Dawn. Yo, nah. I'm crying. You spilled the Dawn, bro. What the fuck?
Son.
Yo, like what the fuck?
You see this just like yo.
Yo, that way he picks up his fucking family. You know that shit wet.
Caesar's like yo.
She's like, oh shit.
Mind you, this is his car. The owner of the car is like, yo, that shit's crazy.
Yo, if you got Snapchat on your phone in 2026, you a hoe.
Snapchat, bro. I missed that shit.
Yo.
I actually delete that shit ever since
That's
then.
exactly how you
She's
used to get
smart.
all the time,
Ever
bro.
since then, I just
Streaks? Question mark to every bitch.
going on the forehead.
Nah.
Forehead.
Yo, you stupid as hell. It's only here what happened last night.
Yo, I woke up and I'm like, me? Yeah, that bitch was fucking me, bro. With clothes on.
What's
She was
the
like,
plan?
and she was like, damn.
We don't.
What's the plan?
We don't even know what the plan is.
We didn't even know what plan.
We're just winging it. Yo, he look
close.
fucked up. He look fucked up.
Yo, you
Yeah, that Don Julio wiped me out, chat.
absolutely.
That wiped me out, bro. Yeah, Don Julio died it. So we're getting ready for the last match. This is the World Cup finale. 2 Spaniards, one Argentinian. He sucks, but it's alright. He's more Argentinian. He's trying to get this DJ stuff down. Show him. Alright, I like that. That was smooth. I like that.
I like the second one.
Alright, chat. We're like halftime, basically past halftime. They're on another hydration break. And then guess who switched their jerseys? Why'd you switch your jerseys? Shut up. What's good, my boy? What's up?
Yo, he idea.
What's good, my boy? My boy Dex. Chill. Locked in. Shit. Alright, my boy. I hope you get older bitches. I know you see them all. My boy. He spoke to me. Shit.
He said, bye, boy.